Are you tired of juggling a dozen different subscriptions for every new AI tool that pops up? Paying those endless monthly fees just to stay in the game? Well, get ready because today we're talking about a huge shift in the AI world, a move away from all those paid services towards something way more powerful and personal. Now, that's a pretty bold statement, right? But honestly, it's at the heart of what we're digging into. The subscription tools that are all over the headlines, they might not be the future. There's a better, more powerful, and, completely free way to do all of this. Just think about it for a second. What if you could just cut the cord? No more company servers, no more wait lists, no more confusing pricing plans. What if the entire universe of AI, from writing text to creating video, lived right there on your own machine, totally under your control? Well, this isn't some what-if fantasy anymore. It's real, and it's happening right now. We're about to break down 3 incredible open-source platforms that let you do exactly that. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's tackle the big one, large language models. You know, the brains behind modern AI. This first tool is all about putting the power of conversation, writing, and analysis directly onto your computer. And the best part, no internet connection needed. Meet Ollama. The easiest way to think about it is like your own personal offline library for the best LLMs in the world. You know, those super smart engines that can write, code, and chat about anything. It's a simple, totally free piece of software that unlocks a whole new world of AI creativity. Okay, and this is where it gets really good. With Ollama, you can download and run models from Google, from OpenAI, and Meta's Llama family, all the big players, right on your own machine. That means no internet, no usage caps, and absolutely no fees. It's totally unlimited, and since it runs on your hardware, it's completely private. I mean, imagine deploying this for an entire office or in a classroom. It's a total game changer. So, we've got text covered. Now, let's get visual. Our next tool takes that exact same idea, local, free AI, and applies it to the incredible world of image and video generation. And here it is, Lycos. It's built on the very same principle as Ollama. It's free, it's local, it's powerful. But this one is all about creating amazing visuals. It's basically like having a professional AI art and video studio sitting right on your desktop. Lycos opens up a massive library of creative tools for you. You can mess around with famous models like Stable Diffusion, plus all these other unique and hard-to-find models from open-source communities like Hugging Face, which is this huge hub where people share AI models. We're talking real-time video effects, live face swapping, professional-grade stuff, and it's all for free. Okay, so we've got an amazing tool for text and another one for images and video. But what if you could have it all in one place? What if there was a single platform that could handle literally any kind of AI model you threw at it? And that brings us to our final tool, the one our source called the father of them all. This is where everything we've just talked about comes together into one single, incredibly powerful platform. This is Pinokio, and honestly, it's more than just a tool, it's a whole ecosystem. Think of it like a special browser that lets you find, download, and run pretty much any open-source AI model out there with just a click or two. Simply put, it's the key that unlocks the entire world of free AI. Pinokio really is the ultimate all-in-one. It handles the language models from Ollama, the image and video models from Lycos, and just so much more. It even has AI automation tools and basically anything else you can find floating around in the open-source community. It's the one-stop shop. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds incredible, but what kind of supercomputer do I need to run it? Let's get practical for a second and look at what you actually need to get started. So here's the good news. The barrier to entry is actually surprisingly low. All you really need to get going is a computer with at least 8 gigs of RAM and a pretty basic graphics card with about 2 to 4 gigs of video memory. Now, of course, the better your hardware, the faster things will run, but you can absolutely get up and running with a fairly modest setup. And this right here is the perfect way to think about it. Instead of paying those annoying subscription fees month after month, you're making a one-time investment in your own hardware. And that single investment, it unlocks a lifetime of free, unlimited access to AI and your own creative freedom. So, what does this all really mean for you? It means you now have the power to break free from that whole world of paid, subscription-based AI and build your very own powerful, private, creative studio right at home. And here's how easy it is to get started. It's really just a simple 3-step process. First, just make sure your computer meets those minimum specs. Second, go download Ollama, Lycos, or if you want it all, the all-in-one Pinokio.
And finally, just unleash your creativity and start building without any limits. This right here is the future of AI. You get complete control, total privacy, and it costs you nothing.